Samsung is getting ready to show off its 3-model Galaxy S25 line at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event in late January. Fans are getting more and more excited as the event gets closer, especially about the design and looks of the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. Recently released pictures of the SIM trays for these models give us a look at the colors that Samsung's next-generation top phones might come in. The SIM trays that were leaked show 5 possible colors, and each one has end caps that match the outside of the phone. The colors are a sleek dark gray that's almost black, a striking deep blue, and soft pastel shades of purple and green. There is also a silver version in the lineup, which is probably the series' white form. Samsung is likely to give these colors creative and unique names closer to the launch date to make them more appealing. Notably missing from these leaks are information about the Galaxy S25 Ultra SIM tray. Samsung has usually chosen more understated, classy colors for its Ultra models, and they are often made with high-end materials like titanium. Some of the S25 and S25 Plus colors might be offered for the Ultra, but they probably won't have the same level of vibrancy. This adds to the Ultra's high-end and professional look. Color choice is an important part of a smartphone's overall appeal, but it's often ignored. New and interesting colors can make a device stand out in a crowded market, attracting buyers who care more about design than usefulness. For some, a certain color can even make them decide not to buy something, especially when it's paired with well-thought-out design elements. As Samsung pits the Galaxy S25 series against Apple and Google's top phones, attention will be split between the company's generative AI innovations and how they look. Tech fans will be looking closely at the S25's AI features, while fashionistas will be looking at the colors and designs of the range. It's important to find a balance between technology advances and aesthetic concerns. A bright or trendy color can be just as effective at getting people's attention as groundbreaking features. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.